What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in a lot of my videos that I talk about, XRP growing to multiple dollar points, right? To $10, $20, $100, $1,000. People don't understand the impact that one, cryptocurrency will have, and two, that XRP would potentially have. Right. And the reason why I'm so bullish on that play. Now, do I have all of my money in XRP? No. Right. I feel like if it is going to be worth a lot, that even a small amount will end up getting you a crazy amount, kind of like what you looked at with Bitcoin. Right. If you invested in $10,000 worth of Bitcoin when it was worth like $100, you're looking at so much money in the end, right now. And this is not even the end. We could see so much more growth there. Now, that's only looking at something that really has started the market, that has started the kind of train of people investing into crypto and starting to build in crypto and everything there. But when we talk about things that actually have massive amounts of use and use potential, I mean, it could be huge for cryptocurrency investors. It could be huge for you even having 1,000 XRP. So that's the reason why, I'm so bullish. Let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about why it may be worth or will be worth more than $1 trillion. And most likely, in my opinion, flip Bitcoin. And flip Bitcoin convincingly, not just like, oh, it's 1 trillion here and back and forth between Bitcoin. No, first of all, I think Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin and Bitcoin's going to have its spot in the top 5, but I don't think it will be up there and leading the market. I think things with massive amounts of use case will eventually do that. And XRP is that thing, in my opinion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. Also, if you guys want to use my link for Margex, you can use my link for Margex down below. I ended up making a trade today with Ethereum. And ended up making about $15 on Ethereum today. As I invested with like $1,000, I invested with 100x leverage on the amount that I put in there. So, $11,000. So I invested on 100x leverage because I only have, now 200 plus dollars that's in there. I only have like a certain amount that's available as I make certain trades. But I traded on 100x leverage, as you can see here, made $15 out of it. I only have $200 in my account at the moment. I started with $900, and currently, like I said, I made a little bit of money, and now I'm up to $230 in value from $98 that I originally invested. So I'm slowly but surely taking those steps and those little baby steps in order to make this a lot larger of an account. But I'm doing it slow, right? I'm not doing it fast. I'm doing it slow. So anyways, if you guys want to start trading with Margex, use my link down below. Make sure you're disciplined and that you're investing wisely. Don't just throw everything in there in a position that you don't understand. If you want to learn about leverage trading, I'm going to be doing a whole like seminar or what do you call it? Like courses or something like that, a series to where I break down leverage trading a lot more and a lot better. And you guys can converse with me over there in the comment section as well. So feel free to subscribe to my Patreon if you're interested in doing anything like this. But like I said, let's talk about XRP. XRP is currently at a level of 65 cents, almost 66 cents. It's down about 3.7 cents or 3.7% today. And we saw this at a high of about 68 or 69 cents. And now again, is down to 65 or 66 cents. It is at a $35.5 billion market cap. And you're seeing the volume at $1.5 billion worth of volume. Now, the volume to market cap ratio is not at the highest level it could be, and we've seen it at a higher level, but it definitely still has that popularity, and a lot of people like to purchase this position and hold this position because of what it could be, what it will be, honestly. If you look at the circulating supply, understand that is a factor in a lot of people's decision. They're seeing 54% of the supply that is released that's in circulation, but then having the max supply at 100 billion coins, or having the total supply at 99.9 billion coins. Understand that XRP has a natural deflationary aspect to it. However, with the release of 1 billion coins per month, it kind of fights that deflationary aspect and makes it more inflationary. So always keep that in mind when you are investing into something. But the overall goal and where this can be, it can be worth way more than a 65 or $66 billion market cap. Honestly, I think this is going to be worth multiple, over a trillion, but I believe multiple trillions of dollars as we see this fully implemented. Now, what makes me so bullish on something like XRP? Understand that XRP is super fast. I can tell you that I made a transaction recently. I sent somebody some XRP, and I've never sent anybody XRP. I've always just kept the XRP. But sending someone XRP, it was so fast that it seemed like before I even pressed the send button, it was already in their hands. I swear I got a message like before I pressed the send button that they ended up getting XRP. But, you know, I would imagine it happened right afterwards. So it's literally instantaneous. Like it happens very, very quickly that you end up receiving that money way faster than what you can have with banks. So let's say you are sending money, banks, or through the banks. A lot of times it is instant, but they're instant times where you send money happens within minutes, not within a second. So typically that's what you're seeing within, XRP within, let's say 15 seconds or 5 seconds, you'll see it happen. And it'll go through, the other person will receive their XRP, and the only lag that you have is between the messages that you sending whether, hey, do you have it? Yes, I do have it. That's really the only lag that you will have. So just understanding that purpose of it and how fast that people receive it, it kind of takes out that lag time of even somebody taking money out of their pocket, out of their wallet, and handing it to you. No, I'm in my phone, send XRP, it's gone, right? You go and do that as well. For, let's say, cross-border payments, you now have a faster option to do so. Right now, banks use many of Ripple's services. So like for Santander or PNC or whatever, they'll use Ripple services for various different transactions and things. So if you have a go-to option, being XRP as a fast option built by the service that you are using, the parent company that you are using, why not go with that? So from what I hear, you're seeing institutions that may be looking to buy out a lot of XRP, to use XRP and implement within banks. And as it's implemented, it's paid through different places, and you have to have a certain amount that's going to be sent. Let's say somebody wants to send, $10 million, right? Or $20 million or whatever, right? Overall, you end up sending in the day, you end up sending multiple hundreds of billions of dollars to people. Other people are holding it. It has to be at a certain value so that, you can see XRP exchange or change hands, right? So honestly, it has so much more of a use case than people think. And it's so usable right now, so friendly right now, that if it was implemented or found some sort of way to be implemented, we could find a way to make it work by just winging it if we really wanted to. That's how usable it is right now. But you obviously want to go through processes to understand exactly how that implementation will work, how you'll be able to implement it within certain businesses as well as certain financial institutions. But ultimately, it makes me super excited about what XRP can be. And that's why I think that this is going to be worth way more than what Bitcoin is worth. Because look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, yes, it's by a form of scarcity. And that scarcity, may want to drive people, let's say, to buy that position, but it's not about a use in any way. It aspires to be the world currency, but it's not fast enough. It's not usable enough, right? But then XRP is right there, and it definitely is usable. It definitely is fast. It definitely can send multiple transactions per second. So either way, you look at it how you want to look at it. I believe it's going to be worth multiple trillions of dollars past Bitcoin and past Ethereum. And Ethereum's probably going to be in that second spot as another usable cryptocurrency. But then Bitcoin will still have its place in the top 5, being worth multiple trillions of dollars. But I think XRP will be worth convincingly more than Bitcoin and convincingly more than Ethereum, in my opinion. That's just me, right? You may think differently, but I think that it definitely will. So let me know what you think down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to start trading on Margex, again, make sure you guys go and check out Margex. The link is in the description, and they are a partner with the channel, so it does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.